My name is Tanya, and today I'm going to show you how to read Peppa Pig. Okay, this is called my first storybook, and it's Peppa Pig. Do you have one? And if you hear this sound, you can flip the page right. Okay, I'll start. The fire engine. Mommy Pig is going to fire engine practice. Good excuse for a chat, says Daddy Pig. I have a very important meeting and a barbecue with the Daddy's football team. Do your daddy have a football team? I don't think my daddy have. Mommy Pig, Pepper, and Georgia Rabbit, Miss Rabbit flies there. Wow, gasps. Pepper seeing the big red fire engine. Fire engine, goes George. Daddy Pig and his friends are playing football and having a barbecue in the garden. Oh dear, the barbecue has turned into a fire. Daddy Pig rings the fire station. Ring, ring, the fire phone is ringing. Hello, Daddy Pig, answers Miss Rabbit. The phone is only for when there's a fire, shouts Daddy Pig. We'll be right there, replies Miss Rabbit. Mummy's to the rescue, cries Miss Rabbit, sliding the fire pole. Hold tight, cries Mommy Pig. Whee, laughs Peppa. The fire engine is ready to go. Peppa, George, and the mummy soon find the barbecue and get the water hose out. Stand back, daddies, cries Miss Rabbit. The water comes spurting out the hose. Hiss! Hooray! Cheer all the daddies when the fire fell. Thank you for saving us, says Daddy. No problem, replies Miss Rabbit. It's all part of the service. Now that Miss Rabbit has flooded the garden, says Daddy, we can all jump up and down in the muddy puddles. I love fire engines, says Pepper, especially when they make muddy puddles. Did you ever see a fire engine? I did. Did you? Thank you for seeing me read these. So you can subscribe my channel. Bye bye.